Welcome to Smart Money, your home for all things related to making money the smart way. Today we are going to list the top 20 passive income ideas for you to build wealth right now. Passive income is money that you earn without having to do a lot of active work to keep it coming in. In essence, you can earn money by doing the majority of the work up front and putting in some extra effort along the way. If you develop an online course, for example, you only need to update the content to keep the money coming in. Make money while you sleep is a phrase you've probably heard. That is the most compelling reason for people to obtain passive income. Even when you're not working, you can make money by creating anything: a blog, course, ebook, videos, or an online store. You can also generate money without working by investing in passive income, real estate, or stocks. Okay, let's jump into the countdown of the top 20 passive income ideas.
Number 1. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the most lucrative passive income opportunities available online. Dropshipping allows you to identify popular products and sell them online to clients all over the world. From fashion to home decor to beauty, you can offer products in a variety of dropshipping niches. The beauty of dropshipping is that you can start your own business and set your own prices for the products. Dropshipping is, in fact, the passive income option on this list that gives you the most control over your money. You can sign up for Shopify right now to begin dropshipping. After you've set up your online store, you can use sources such as AliExpress or Alibaba to identify high-quality items to sell. A close substitute for a dropshipping store, but with a greater amount of input into product selection and quality control, is buying products wholesale to sell on your store. Is a close substitute for a dropshipping store, but gives you a lot more control over product selection and quality control. You might connect with local, US-based suppliers, purchase products at wholesale costs, and resell them to your audience by using a wholesale marketplace. You can also combine this method with dropshipping. Number 2. Run a blog. Blogging is perhaps the most common kind of passive income. Affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book sales, and more have all helped many businesses make passive income from blogging. It's true that creating a good blog takes a lot of effort up front. However, organic and social traffic, as well as creating an email list, are two of the most sustainable strategies to build an audience. The best part about starting a blog is that you can use it to generate multiple streams of revenue. So, if you're looking for a simple way to generate passive income, blogging might be the way to go. Number 3. Create a course. One of the top passive income ideas for 2021 and 2022 is selling online courses. That's because course creators are still witnessing enormous sales growth. Customers want to discover your insider tips and methods whether you sell a course on your own website or on a platform like Udemy. Selling your course on your website can help you control how much passive income you earn if you've followed suggestion number 2 on our list and created your own audience. It's up to you to find your customers. If you sell on services like Udemy, this will be a little easier, but your course may be heavily discounted at times. This will have an impact on the amount of passive income you generate. Number 4. Instagram sponsored posts. If you're a big fan of Instagram like I am, you might consider turning your scrolling time into posting time to help you boost your passive income. The best part about Instagram is that you can make fan pages for just about anything. Whether you enjoy travel, fashion, cosmetics, home decor, or something more unusual or outlandish, there's something for everyone. The key to gaining a large number of Instagram followers is to share consistent high-quality content. So make sure to stick to one area so that your followers know they can count on you to give more of the same. Make sure to include your email address in your Instagram bio. Sponsored post requests will increase as your account grows, allowing you to generate money on Instagram. People will contact you if your Instagram posts have a lot of engagement, so make sure to post engaging stuff. Number 5. Create a print-on-demand online store. Given that e-commerce is one of the most popular ways to generate passive money online, it's only natural to mention print-on-demand. You can sell your own custom graphics on t-shirts, apparel, mugs, canvases, phone covers, bags, and more using print-on-demand. The nicest part is that you may create your own custom branded products. The only disadvantage is that you must be skilled in graphic design because the margins are sometimes too narrow to affordably outsource the work. However, if you can come up with that one-of-a-kind winning design, your sales will skyrocket. Plus, since you won't be competing with anyone except yourself, it won't impact sales. Don't be hesitant to get started with Shopify right away. Number 6. Create an app. Even though we're only on the 6th option for passive money on this list, you've definitely noticed a pattern. Creating things tends to lead to passive revenue. If you're a programmer or developer, you might want to consider developing apps as a source of passive income. There are two approaches you can take. To begin, you might charge a fee to anyone who wanted to purchase your app. Second, you can make your software completely free and monetize it through advertisements. You can monetize your app through a variety of methods, including in-app advertising, paywalled content, and premium features. Number 7. Invest in stocks. When it comes to the world's wealthiest people, it's safe to say that stocks have played a significant role in their vast bank accounts. While stock investing is a somewhat passive activity, the research that goes into it is not. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages per day, but it's not a typical mystery novel. Nope. He reviews yearly reports from companies. He gains a better understanding of whether or not a corporation is operating well by reading annual reports every day, which helps him enhance his ability to invest in stocks. Stock investing can help you generate passive income that is significantly more than your salary at a 9-to-5 job. So, if you enjoy reading about the performance of other businesses, consider this passive income option. Number 8. Buy property. Real estate can be a wonderful way to create passive income depending on where you buy and when you buy. By purchasing pre-construction condos, for example, you may be able to find some lower-cost homes that will improve in value by the time it is completed, allowing you to sell the property for a profit once it is completed. It can be hazardous, as with any investment, so if you're new to the game, chat with a real estate agent to assist you find the ideal investment property. Number 9. Host Airbnb. You can choose to list your condo or home for rent on Airbnb if you followed step number 8. It's worth noting that making Airbnb passive income doesn't require purchasing a new house. If you have a spare room in your current home or apartment, you can also rent it out. Additionally, Airbnb recently launched Airbnb Experiences, which allows you to host events, meetups, and tours in your area. You can also treat it as a side venture, however it will not provide passive income. Number 10. Building your own website. Building your own website might provide a steady stream of revenue. Some people set up marketing agencies and hire freelancers to do the work. Others develop online courses to share their expertise and educate others. You can also sell things online, whether they are digital or physical. Building your own website, on the other hand, gives you greater control over what you sell and how much money you make. It's one of the finest beginner passive income ideas because there are numerous tools available to assist you in building a website, no coding required. Then you may dress it up with a theme, a logo, and other UI elements. Finally, your brand's success is in your hands, allowing you to take it wherever you desire. Number 11. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable ways to earn money online today. The good news is that almost every major company has an affiliate network, which means you can sell some really popular items and make some money. The only main downside is that you only get a commission for each sale. Some affiliate programs, such as Shopify's, allow you to earn up to $58 per referral, which is a good amount of money. Other online businesses just offer a $5, $10 referral bonus. So, before you get started, make sure you do some research on the top affiliate marketing programs such as ClickBank. Without having to spend money on commercials, blogging is the most cost-effective way to earn recurring affiliate rewards. Number 12. Sell your own videos. If you're always caught up in drama and excitement, you might want to take out your phone and capture it. This can assist you in generating some passive income. According to the most recent video marketing statistics, consumers are infatuated with video content, thus your video should find an audience. Why? You can sell that video to a news organization. And if the video is successful, you can earn money on a regular basis for weeks, months, or even years. Of course, being present at public events such as protests, marches, and festivals is the simplest way to participate in the action. You'll find possibilities to sell your material anywhere there's a controversy. Companies will pay you to generate viral videos as well as provide a portion of total earnings if you're good at creating engaging material. Number 13. Flip websites. Do you enjoy creating websites and e-commerce stores? If that's the case, you may earn money from selling them. You'll most likely need to make a few sales to get started, to prove that your store is awesome. However, if you have excellent design abilities and can flesh out some of the content on your website, you might be able to sell your store. Shopify's Exchange Marketplace is a good place to start if you want to sell your website. You can sell your newly built internet store or your advanced 6- or 7-figure store on the site. It's the ideal platform for flipping websites. Number 14. Create YouTube videos. YouTube is the never-ending source of passive revenue. You can create regular income from your YouTube channel with sponsored videos and ad revenue. The key to building a successful YouTube channel is to post content on a regular basis for an extended period of time. That is all there is to it. If you stick with it long enough, you'll start to reap the benefits of passive income. Number 15. Write ebooks. Ebooks erupted onto the scene in 2009 and 2010 and have remained a very popular content medium ever since. Even though they first gained popularity a few years ago, there are still a significant number of people who make a living writing ebooks. It is, without a doubt, a fiercely competitive market. However, if your writing skills are exceptional, you may be able to take home a sizable portion of the profits. You may establish a dedicated audience by writing how-to ebooks on popular topics and marketing them. Number 16. Sell your photography. While being a photographer may appear to be an active business, not passive, photographers get paid for more than just shooting pictures. They also sell them. Stock picture sites, publications, and canvas printing for your clients are all methods to make a lot of money in the photography business. To get started, all you need is a good camera. However, you can now use your phone to shoot images and sell them to earn money on the side. You could also photograph high-quality products and sell them to e-commerce companies. To get started, all you'll need is a solid product photography course, a smartphone, and some inspiration. Number 17. Selling digital products. You can make digital products instead of selling someone else's. To sell your digital products online, you can open a Shopify store. Ebooks, online courses, PDFs, custom graphic designs, stock photographs, and other digital products are all examples of digital products. Because the entire process can be automated with fast downloads on Shopify, selling these things is the essence of passive income. Number 18. Help businesses bring in customers. Are you a salesperson or marketer with a lot of experience? If that's the case, there are plenty of companies willing to give you referral payments in exchange for bringing them additional business. Real estate professionals are always eager to assist more individuals in finding the property of their dreams. Freelancers, DJs, photographers, and other solopreneurs are frequently eager to offer a referral incentive if you can locate them a contract signing client. So, if you enjoy assisting others in making money, you can begin generating passive income through your contacts. With just a few emails or messages, you might get passive revenue with very little work. Number 19. Use passive income apps. Installing passive income apps on your smartphone and performing a few activities to earn money is exactly how they work. The activities might range from simple things like watching movies to turning a little financial investment into a steady stream of income. There are a number of apps available to help you make better use of your mobile device and time. The following are a few of the best. Fundrise. With a $1,000 minimum commitment, Fundrise allows you to invest in real estate projects. It has the option of paying quarterly dividends, which can be used as a source of passive income. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars gives you cash back for doing things you do normally, like buying, watching TV, and searching the internet. Your passive income comes from the cashback and the $5 bonus for joining up. Dosh. With Dosh, you can link your debit and credit cards to your account. You earn passive income in the form of cashback when you use these cards to pay for things. Number 20. Sell your own stuff. Do you want to start decluttering your home? You might want to consider turning that clutter into hard cash. We've all had those boxes full of things we haven't thought about in years. You can either keep the items and risk appearing on an episode of Hoarders, or you can sell them online to generate passive cash. You may have to dig a little deeper, but you could uncover some items that are worth a lot of money. So, if you're looking for a place to start with passive income, your closet might be the greatest place to start. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more, and we will see you in the next video.